Do not try to aberrate from your path to achieve something in a short span of time, because success takes time. Maybe for some person it's not that time taking, but still we have to take care of ourselves and we have to work upon ourselves, not to think about any other person that how they are getting there and why we are not getting. But yeah, we are a human being and we can feel that, but still we have to stick to our very nature, that is the working hard. So if you all are successful in your life, then what's the meaning of success? And if you are feeling satisfaction, it means you are successful according to me, because the according to me success is nothing but the satisfaction, feeling of satisfaction. So if you have found yourself that successful person, then what the price you paid for your success? So now, signature is an autograph. According to APJ Abdul Kalam, when your signature becomes an autograph, it means you are success. But according to me, success can never be defined, because it is not objective but it is subjective and it can be differ. So every person has the different meaning of success. So only want to get the satisfaction and get something and try to give something back to the society, that is the success. So for getting the success you have to follow the two rule, only the self discipline. The first is very utmost important. Self discipline is of the utmost important. Yeah. And the second is continuity. So you should not yield to any obstacle. Yield means jhukna and obstacle means badha. So you do not need to yield to any obstacle. Now we are going to learn five words, that is aberrate, aberration, and abhorrence, and abeyance, and abide. So do not try to aberrate from the path to achieve the bucket list, because you have to keep all those lists in abeyance till the completion of competition, because I can feel the abhorrence among the groups. And abhorrent is nothing but the trophy that was keeping there, and they create this trophy create the situation of abhorrence, and especially the players must abide by the rules. So what's the scenario here? They were aberrating from their path, they were not ready to keep the list in abeyance, and they were creating the situation of abhorrence, and they were not ready to abide by the rules. So we have to learn aberration. Aberration means deviation from the path. Aberration, अब ऑपरेशन करना होगा, अब ऑपरेशन. सो आई एम मेकिंग द स्टोरी ऑफ द वर्ड aberration. अब ऑपरेशन करना होगा. डॉक्टर मेकिंग दिस थिंग्स यूजुअल, बट इट्स नॉट यूजुअल, इट्स नॉट acceptable for the society. And then abeyance. Abeyance, चुप रहो अभी. So abeyance means to keep something on hold for temporary time. To keep something on hold for the limited time. Means abeyance means आप किसी चीज़ को यूज नहीं कर रहे हो या लंबे समय से वो यूज नहीं हो रहा है, दैट इज़ द थिंग abeyance. And abhorrence and abhorrent. Abhor is a root word, and in this word you can feel that this is the word related to hate. abhor, अब और नहीं मैं देख सकता, तुमसे बहुत घृणा हो रही है. सो abhorrence and abhorrent and abide. अब याद आया वादा, अब आया वादा, क्योंकि अक्सर हम गांव में याद को याद बोलते, याद. और जैसे कि मैं जैसे से सीजीएल के लिए पढ़ रही थी, तो उस वक्त भी पता है कि याद को याद वहाँ पे बोला जाता है. देन अबाइड, अब आइद आया वादा. सो अबाइड मीन्स टू फॉलो द रूल, ओबे द रूल. So try to use these words in your conversation skill, as I was trying to use those all things, and I was trying to making the situation like story. So try to create story with those words, and at last you have to learn every day 5 words. So eventually you will learn 150 words after a month. And according to me, Success is nothing but the satisfaction, feeling of satisfaction. So if you want to be success in your life, then to be ready for accepting your failure. And if you want to maintain the success, then you have to ready for the acceptance of failure. Because success is not like a go upside only, it may be sometimes come and down. So for that you have to be ready for every situations. Okay, and do not try to make something other solution, make other bad condition for your achievement. Try to get all achievement with honesty. Okay, so till then, enjoy and try to learn, try to achieve, try to improve, because it is always said practice makes a man perfect. So practice, practice, and practice, and abide by the rules of nature, of humanity. Bye bye.